Hey guys, this is Fedra from the blog Self Mindset. Welcome to this new video. Today I want to talk to you about challenges and more precisely 30 days challenges. And as you maybe know, as you maybe have seen my first video on YouTube, I'm currently making 30 days challenges of making one video per day for 30 days. And today is my 6th video. So why making challenges? Because for example, know that I'm doing those videos. For me it was really difficult to take this challenge because it's not easy for me to make videos. As many people, it's not so easy for me to talk to a camera like this. So to make that challenge makes me to overcome that fear and to step outside my comfort zone. And if I do this daily for 30 days, at the end of the 30 days, I hope, but normally, I will be much better than when I've started the challenge. I will be more at ease with to talk to the camera. I will have more, it will be more easy for me. So that's the point of a challenge, of a 30-day challenge. So you can also do that in your life, to take challenges for 30 days, to learn new things or to implement something into your life that you've always wanted to implement in your life, but you never done. You've always postponed it. And some ideas that I can give you like this is, for example, you could meditate for 10 minutes a day. You could exercise, make, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes of stretching exercises or 15 minutes of yoga, or maybe go for a walk for 15 to 30 minutes per day. You could also start the plank exercise and start, for example, for 30 seconds a day, and then after 1 week increase to 1 minute, and then after 2 weeks increase to 1.5 minutes, and like this, going so on. You could also, for example, cut sugar, no eating sugar for 30 days. You could also cut meat, eating meat. Those are a few examples regarding health and exercises or food, eating food. Also, you could, for example, write in a gratitude journal. So you buy a small journal and you write every night before going to sleep. You write 3 things you are grateful for. Also, you could have a journal and write every day 10 ideas. So regarding something you are doing currently. Maybe if you are writing a book, or if you, I don't know, if you, like me, you make videos, you can every day for 30 days in a row write 10 ideas. For example, for my videos I could write 10 ideas for subjects and content I could share with you in the videos. Those are some ideas. Yes, you could also maybe start cold showers, because there are many benefits of cold showers. You could also floss your teeth. So those are some examples. And yes, once you are in, it's at the start it's a bit difficult, but then if you follow up during the 30 days and you make it, first of all you will be very proud of you, of what you have done, and then you will know if it's something that could really improve your life, and if it's after 30 days. Usually it can become also a habit, so you could really use this in your daily life as an habit. So yes, think about it. It's I think I suggest really that to you, to try something like that, and let me know in the comments if you are in to take a challenge, and if yes, what kind of challenge you are going to do for 30 days. So let me know in the comments. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to like the video if you liked it. Also to share it if you think that someone could be help or benefit of the video. So thank you very much for following me, and I wish you an amazing day. Bye! See you tomorrow!